Once this was the dream car of the 80s, the ultimate symbol of speed, excess, and Italian engineering. But today, it's a relic, a forgotten icon waiting for a second chance. Owning a Ferrari? That's cool. Restoring a broken Ferrari? That's just an expensive workout. But this isn't just a car, it's a childhood dream on wheels. And today, we start the journey to bring this legend back to life. Step 1. Identify the damage. And well, where do I even start? Ferrari engineering is a masterpiece until you have to take it apart. Then it's just an expensive puzzle with missing instructions. You don't disassemble a Ferrari, you negotiate with it. And right now, this one isn't budging. The heart of the beast, this 4.9-liter, 12-cylinder masterpiece. If I can bring this back to life, the car has a future. If not, well, let's not think about that. Ferrari engineers must have really hated mechanics. Why else hide the timing belts in the most inconvenient place? All right, moment of truth. Will it roar or just blow smoke? And just like that, the Testarossa isn't just sitting anymore, it's alive. A Ferrari isn't a Ferrari until it shines like liquid fire. Factory perfect, or maybe a little deeper red. Either way, this thing is getting its soul back. Smells like vintage leather and bad financial decisions. Perfect. Months of work, sleepless nights, more frustration than I'd like to admit. And now, we're here. Driving this isn't just about speed, it's about connection. To a time when cars were art, when engineering had soul, when Ferrari meant more than just a badge. This wasn't just a restoration, it was a resurrection. Legends never die. They just wait for the right hands to bring them back to life.